Great Scott! My name is Dr. Emmett Brown. My resume's in here somewhere.
Inventor, professor. It says here you're inventing a time machine?
Not to worry. It doesn't run on plutonium. Now, let me ask you a question about the plutonium. Is it fit in the engine valve of a 1982 DeLorean?
I like this guy.
I have a good feeling about him, too. Congratulations! We have chosen you to build the bomb!
Great! Let me just get that plutonium and I'll be back in 5 minutes with your bomb. And here you go. Here's your bomb. Nice working with you guys. See you later.
Hey, this looks exactly like the pinball machine from the staff lounge.
Damn it!